Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing my kitting up of this diamond painting. It's a mystery diamond painting, but I think I can tell what it's going to be. But yeah, I called this mystery square because these are square diamond paint drills. I got this from Qluo on AliExpress for $4.51. It is like half a centimeter off from a 30 by 40. It has poured glue, canvas, square drills, and there are DMCs, and there are 22 colors in this. So I'm going to be using this 28 container pill container. This is actually the first 28 container pill container I got. It came with like a diamond painting kit, like that had like a whole bunch of accessories. But this is like my favorite one. Like I wish I could find more. Like if you have one of these 28 container things, this one is different than the other ones I bought. Like it's completely rectangular. There is no like rounding of the corners, which I like because you could hold so much more. And these things are like the easiest ones to open. So I kind of wish I could find these. But yeah, I have yet to find a place that has these separately and not part of that accessory pack. But yeah. And I think these probably hold way more just because it doesn't waste that space in the rounding. But yeah, that's enough about this case. But I am going to use these ones. I did scan the legend, put it on some labels, and I tried something new this time. I actually scored my labels using, a blade instead of cutting it with the scissors. I'm going to see if and I think it was a slightly easier to do that. So I'll see if in the future I'll just probably cut up these things using the blade instead. But yeah. Okay, I just took these drills out of the freezer. So yeah, if you have static, freezing them, I recommend. Because it's been the easiest thing for me, at least, to do then. Okay, so unfortunately these things don't have the DMC color, the DMC number on the bags. So, and I also, since I usually do scan the legend, I kind of use the color of the symbol as a kind of help to match the drills here. So, but since these don't, and I don't, I'm gonna have to make sure that I'm referring to the key a little bit more to make sure I'm not doing the wrong one. So first one, 318. Let's see. Put my garbage pail there. Alright, so 318. So these are squares of my, the mystery diamond painting. Is it all gonna fit? I'm hoping this whole thing will fit into just one of these 28 container things. 30 by 40s tend to be kind of questionable whether they fit into these 28 container ones without needing to go over. Especially when there's when there's several with more than what could normally fit. So that one was a tight fit. So 352 is number 2. Make sure I'm on track. Where's number 2? It's this nice bright pink color or salmon color. So since I don't have the color helping me with the kitting up. Oh. Okay, this one actually has some static, so my freezer thing did not work for this one. So I'm sad, but it's not that bad. But yeah, the things are coming out. Okay, I think I'm gonna put some lotion on my hand. So I put some lotion on my hand, so hopefully, maybe my dry hands were messing up we're adding to the static. I don't know. So 413. But yeah, no, this whole like I started diamond painting during I guess closer to summer, because my first diamond painting was in May 2020, so I didn't have this static issue until like it got to probably like October or November. So yeah, I missed those days where I just poured it in and I had no problems. Okay, now this one is way too full. That's not gonna close. Okay, so hopefully this only happens 5 more times, because I only have 6 extra containers. But so far these first ones were all very full. So yeah. Hopefully everything will still fit. So 413, the next one is 518, which is number 4. Just making sure. This is a nice blue color. So I'm guessing other people have possibly diamond painted this image before, just because it does look very much like a Disney diamond painting, which remarkably I have not yet completed a Disney diamond painting. Yeah, I guess for some reason I just didn't buy them. I don't even know why I didn't buy them. I guess, yeah, I don't know. Maybe I don't have any kids or something, and then I don't know. They're pretty though, the Disney diamond paintings. But yeah, no, I just never bought them. But yeah, if I complete this will probably be my first Disney diamond painting. 741 is number 6. Yep. But yeah, no, this one actually has some really, really bright colors. So this might actually be semi-enjoyable, because I'm a big fan of diamond painting bright colors, just because it's so much fun. That's why I think I've started really getting into the rhinestone diamond paintings, just because the actual drilling process of rhinestones is actually like really, really like enjoyable. So yeah, and that might also be why I'm kind of contemplating whether the whole square diamond paintings are worth it, because sometimes they just don't end up becoming they just like sometimes, you know, just it's not that enjoyable for whatever reason, just because, you know, the drills are not the best quality, or there's popping, or, you know, squares, like you could tell the drill quality really matters way more than rounds, just because they have to line up, and what's it called, they're not supposed to have gaps between. That's the whole point of a square, is that there's not supposed to be gapping between 9. Is 931 number 9? There should not be gapping, because otherwise I might as well just be doing a round. So yeah, but I haven't done too many squares that were not like double-sided adhesive, so we'll see about this one. 939. Well, this one doesn't have, you know, 310 in it. It has 939, which is this one I'm doing right now, but very little. So I'm gonna be optimistic that this is gonna turn out, at least be a more pleasant experience, because yeah, 939 and 310, I don't know any diamond painting company that has them where they're perfect, because yeah, oops, backwards, because I don't know. I think it's because the fact that number 11 is 945. I think it's the fact that from most of the time anyway, from far away, you can't tell. It doesn't look that, like, dark colors don't look that bad even when they're not perfect on like the light colors, those have to look great, because it doesn't look nice when they're not good quality. It's like more obvious when they're not good quality, for squares at least. So I think a lot of times the dark colors just kind of get away with not having to be perfect. And also probably because they're the most used. But I try not to buy any image that is so black intensive. So I'm hoping that just takes away any unfunness from doing something with lots of black. So 13 is 977, yeah. And looking at this one doesn't actually have that much black, so hopefully this one will be a nice, pleasant experience. It will be a mystery diamond painting, so I'm anticipating it to be a tiny bit harder to do, just because, yeah, just because. Man, okay, these must have had a lot of static, because even with me freezing this, and ever since I started freezing, I've had like very little static. So these must have had a lot of static, because I'm getting it. 3328 is number 14. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, this is a nice red color. But yeah, they're gonna need 2 for this one. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to put all that white color into these, but we'll see. Okay. At least it's the last one. 3328, so 3348 is number 15, yeah. I kind of wish that all these bags had the DMC numbers on them, because I actually really don't care about the first number, because I don't ever look at it. It's just another number that is not necessary for me to look at. That's all I really need is the symbol. So 16 is 3364. Yep. I kind of wish, since this is a mystery diamond painting, I kind of wish the symbols were in alphabetical order, but it takes up too much effort to put them in alphabetical order when you're doing these kind of containers, so it's just gonna be this way. Luckily, there's only 20 colors, so 22 colors, so it won't be, and this is like a nice condensed system, and this is also why I made the labels really big, so that I could, like, bam, see it. So 3607 is number 17. It's this nice pink color. I like this one. So I actually did, just right before this video, I did record the kitting up of the round, but all the colors were kind of just bleh to me. So I think I might actually do, I might actually do this one first. I was planning to do the round first, just because rounds are easier. And since it was a mystery diamond painting, I figured I wanted to do the easier one first, but this one has much better colors than my round. So I might just do this one first, even though it's not that mysterious, because of the picture is pretty obvious what it is. But yeah, I think I might try this one first, just because I really do like the colors on this one. 19 is 3750, yeah. But you know, I'm gonna eventually do all my diamond paintings, because yeah, no, I'm not gonna be one of those ones who just has a horde of them that are incomplete. I am gonna do them all. And that's why I'm trying not to buy too many, so that could be a true statement. 3755. But yeah, I might do this one. It's more of a question of which one ends up getting done first. Number 20 is 3755. Yep. Come on. No. Okay, is it gonna fit? It might be a tight fit. It's just so little left that I kind of don't want to put in another one. It's gonna be a tight fit. Am I gonna be able, as long as I can close it. Yep. Okay, so this last one, there's so many of this one that I think I'm gonna kit up the last one first and then see if I could fit as much as I can into the 3, which I don't think I'll be able to. I don't know if I'll even be able to put all of this one in. Yeah, I think this one needs 2, so I think I'm gonna only be able to do a couple of these. Okay, so that's the last one. 3768 is number 22. So 3756. This one's, I think this one is like the off-white. Or I think this might be like, it looks blue. So this might be baby blue. Okay, so let's see. I probably only pour one of these in, and then the other 2 I'll just open when this runs out. Okay. The question is, will these fit in here and me be able to close it? Come on, let me close it. Okay, that's probably not going to happen, so I think I'm just going to stick this onto the side, outside here with masking tape, just so that it stays with it. I should have cut the masking tape bigger. Now that's too big. Okay, I'm just going to stick this onto the outside here and open it one by one as needed. I kind of don't like it, but maybe I should do this first so that I could just not have to store this. But yeah, there it is. That's done. If you see this kitting up video posted, that means I'm probably almost done with this, or I might be done with it already. So, all right, we'll both, I guess, see what this is gonna be. All right, thank you for watching and happy diamond painting. Bye.